So, two coherent sources of light of intensity ratio beta interference. Okay, beta interference. Prove that in the interference pattern. So, two coherent sources of light, that intensity ratio is beta. Okay, prove that interference patterns. So, Imax minus Imin, Imax minus Imin divided by Imax plus Imin equal to root beta by 1 plus beta. Okay, here beta is equal to I1 by I2 is equal to A1 square by A2 square. I1 means intensity, I means intensity, A means amplitude. Okay, so or A1 by A2 equal to square root of beta. Okay, square root of beta, but we know maximum intensity is equal to K times of A1 plus A2 whole square, and minimum intensity equal to K times A1 minus A2 whole square. Okay, so that question is Imax minus Imin, Imax minus Imin divided by Imax plus Imin. Okay, so Imax minus Imin, so Imax, the value of Imax is equal to K whole of A1 plus A2 whole square minus K whole of A1 minus A2 whole square divided by, so K times A1 plus A2 whole square plus K times A1 minus A2 whole square. Okay, now taking common K. Okay, now taking common K, K is taking common, so A plus B whole square, A minus B whole square, taking common A plus B whole square. Okay, A plus B whole square minus A minus B whole square. Okay, in this form of equal to 4AB, this form. Similarly, K times A1 plus A2 whole square plus A1 minus A2 of whole square. Okay, that K will be cancelled. So is equal to this one is, so that is A plus B whole square, A square plus B square, so A square plus B square plus 2A1 A2 minus A1 square. Okay, minus A1 square minus A2 square, minus will be plus 2A1 A2. Okay, so divided by using this form also, A1 square plus A2 square plus 2A1 A2 plus A1 square plus A2 square minus 2A1 A2. So A1 square will cancel, A2 square A2 is cancel, so here 2A1 A2, this one will cancel. So we get 4A1 A2 divided by 2 times A1 square of A2 square. So now 2 will cancel, is equal to 2A1 A2 divided by A1 square plus A2 square. Okay, now in case of, but we know R equal to intensity ratio is beta, so beta is equal to A1 square by A2 square in this form. Okay, here the beta is equal to root beta A1 by A2. Okay, so root beta is equal to A1 by A2, and so is equal to 2 times, now divide A2, A1 of A2, now dividing A2 on both sides. Now dividing A2 square on both sides. Okay, now dividing A2 square on both sides, that is A1 square plus A2 square divided by A2 square. Okay, now, okay, so that is 2A1 by A2 whole of A1 by a2 of whole square plus 1, okay, is nothing but 2. A1 by a2 is equal to root beta. Yes or no? A1 by a2 is equal to root beta, is equal to root beta divided by, so that is a1 by a2 whole square. A1 by a2 whole square means beta, so beta plus 1 is equal to 2 root beta divided 1 plus beta. Therefore I max minus I mean divided by I max plus I mean is equal to 2 root beta divided by 1 plus beta. Okay, hence root. Okay, this one is root. Okay.